Hey guys, what's up? So I always look rough starting off these vlogs, but it's okay. It's okay. Look at my nails. I'm like, got my eyelash them gone. But anyway, just wanted to come because I've been getting a lot of messages on Instagram. People are checking in. Hopefully me and baby boy are okay. We're good. Thanks for all the love. I might not respond right away because I'm probably, like, for example, right now I'm at work, but I always try my best to keep up with my DMs. It's hard. My battery is blinking. But I do want to say this week is baby shower prep, so I have a billion and one thing doing. I do want to take y'all through the process. Today is Tuesday. The shower is on Saturday. We have people flying in. So obviously I'm hosting people, so getting the house prep, getting last minute stuff prep and everything. And if you don't know nothing about me, I'm very much a last minute person. My camera is blinking, but I will check in with y'all later, probably when I get home or later on this week or something. Not much going on. I'm at work right now. I did all of my assignments for my section of the baby shower. Thank God, it feels so good. I just did legit the last thing, which was renting tablecloths and napkins and stuff like that. Just did that. So I think the last time I was telling y'all something about the shower and everything like that, and the camera died. But anyway, today, a couple days later, today is Thursday. We're currently prepping for the guests that are coming. Like I told y'all, the baby shower is on Saturday. I got my nails ready for baby boy blue, period. So I got my nails done yesterday, and right now it's 6:13 in the evening. We're currently prepping the house. Zoe's coming tonight, so I'm gonna pick up Zoe soon, but I want to surprise her. Her birthday was January 31st. That was like 2 weeks ago, about a week and a half ago. I don't even know what today's date is, about a week and a half ago. So she's been helping so much. She's basically my wedding planner, futuristically speaking. She is basically my baby shower planner. So I just wanted to get her like something. I saw she posted on Instagram that she wanted chocolate covered strawberries, so I ordered her some edible arrangements. I'm about to go pick them up. I was gonna get her cake, but I don't think I have time for that. And we're low-key baking here too, so if she really want cake, it's gonna be ghetto, but Zoe understand, okay? So I'm gonna get her that, and I'm gonna get a balloon and a card. So I'm gonna rush to go pick it up and go get a balloon and a card. So I'll come back or I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Come on, let's go. Come on. Guys, I did not get to bring y'all in Dollar Tree with me because I forgot the camera in the car. However, they didn't have any helium, so I just had to choose any type of balloon that they had. So it's fine. On our way to go get Zoe now. Say hey, boo. You're wearing Zoe's favorite color. Anyway, check out when we go to pick up Zoe. Guys, look who it is.
Oh, Jesus. Wow. Hello, I did not get no video release for you asked me if you can go play your channel.
Whatever it is, a long time BrightAsDae not see you.
Exactly. Stop make public appearance. Hi, DaeOnes. Very exciting weekend.
Yes.
Bombard.
Let's say. Alright guys, when we reach home, I'm gonna get a better view. Bye. Happy birthday to you.
What the hell? Are you serious?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's so special. You have to open it now?
I mean, you can look at what it. No, you have to what me. You can't carry so. Well, you can, but you have to look at what.
Oh, this is so cute.
You gotta look what it is.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna do this now.
I don't know. I just tie the balloon. They probably have to cut it. And the woman not even give me one long string.
Should I read this first?
I mean, yeah. It's not much because I rush right here before I come to the airport.
Oh, you think I'm a perfect fit? Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. Oh! So
Can you guess what it is?
My strawberries? My strawberries?
Your strawberries.
So what you said me can't take?
No, but I'm saying you can, but you never want your wait till you go for what me. Let's slide off that. Oh, I don't even know what that is. I ain't open it.
Oh,
your strawberries.
Babe, you didn't even have to buy this. Are you not getting strawberries in like 2 days?
So? But yeah, you post say one chocolate cover strawberry.
I was craving. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, I feel so special.
Yeah, but it's always basically the wedding planner. I mean, futuristically speaking, the baby shower planner.
Oh my god. I'm not even did one post and tell nobody about the country.
Oh yeah, say. Alright guys, later we'll soon come back. Trying to vlog as much as possible because don't look on the jerk tongue people. Poor them. We're gonna get that together. Cheryl get her money, the cheerleader get their money, so you can tell well me take Cheryl and then tell the woman. Guys, everything official now. Zoe came with a binder and everything is official. Like,
how am I roaming?
If you're in Canada, get it together. Holla. All wrapped up. Thanks.
Period. Pooh. 2 P's.
2 P's. This is for the name tags. This is for the candles. This
what candles?
That's gonna be the favor. I'm gonna go get some candles.
Okay.
And that's gonna be the favor. Dear Baby K, whatever you wanna fill out. Game. The water bottles. Which you may call them for. Put your water back. Come now so you can at least put them on. Cheryl said thanks for that smiley face. She just been waiting. That's how you make her wait.
She needs to send a picture.
Oh yes.
Send a picture. I want to see the picture of the wall. I want to see the picture of the treats.
Pictures of the treats and the
wall. That's a question of the
treats. I mean, so when you can.
And she want money.
Treats, right?
The lady for the hall. What time did she give you to go and decorate?
1 hour before the event. Yeah. So I was thinking we're gonna do the balloon them here, right?
Yeah. Go do it.
Yeah.
Now go do it. After 1 hour?
Yep. 2 o'clock.
Right.
I went off his breakdown.
No, breakdown is not hard, but to put up.
Yeah. Maybe she went with IR with our 1800 herself. I'm just showing everything that y'all getting. This the vlog prep. Cause I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog these all the balloons.
There's more. Trust me.
Oops, there's more. But wait, there's more.
We're baking. We got everything, people. We doing everything, okay? It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be. Just wait for it. Wait till we get to the games. Just wait for it, people. Wait for it.
You're right. No, you question them. What have you done? Say that?
No. Not yet, but. I swear I seen it.
But y'all,
guys, it's gonna be so
Baker.
Good. Yeah, man.
Baker Simone.
And Grandma.
Gma. Baker Gma. Got you on. Yes, she laugh. Gma. She said maybe not call her Grandma. It's Gma.
Grandma.
Gma.
Oh my gosh. What happened to the days when you're picking your baby automatically are mama.
Mama, right? Mama, Papa.
Mama.
This G-ma.
Mama.
Mama and Papa.
My mom was like, me no want me no grandma. Call me Nana. I'm like, the whitest name out of all. Nana. And she loves it.
Come on, let me look on Amazon, see if I can find some
You can get some
vanilla candles.
Why you want it to smell like vanilla? Okay,
So
yeah, right to know you're just too high. You find some little cheap Dollar Tree no sell candle.
Oh God, them the two look bit.
And
but them look big, them not go fit on the Dollar Tree one them.
when them done wrap, all that needs to see is the teddy bear. That's the only part where they need to see.
Oh God.
I can't believe your shower is in 2 days.
2 days.
Like, I can't believe we're here.
Mind you, I've only been pregnant for 6 weeks.
Girl.
This man at work was like, did you start having morning sickness yet? I said, I'm past that stage. He said, how far are you?
They still don't know that you're 6 months or 7 months?
Like not everybody. They just know that I'm pregnant. I'm 8 months. Yesterday. No, yesterday was Tuesday?
No,
Tuesday I was 8 months.
Yo, this is wild, fam. I'm telling you, every time I talk about it, I just remember being on Joel's bed and I'm just like, Shade texts me like, gotta tell you something. Let me know when you're free.
Welcome to your mind.
I'm telling you, I was like, Checo and her are getting married. Like Checo proposed. That's what I was saying. Because I'm like, okay, she not post nothing on our close friends. And she's not gonna post it on regular. So I'm like, what else could it be? Because I'm just like, we know. So I'm like, the pregnancy thing. Like that. Right. But then I was like nervous because I'm like, should I tell her I'm free or I'm like, no way y'all gonna tell me. No way y'all gonna tell me. But when you're like, look, I sent you something, I was like, I know she's pregnant. I'm like, I know it. Yo, this is when I come out for the phone, Bob. Even the next morning, Joe was like, why are you crying? I'm like, because I can't believe it. Like, I can't believe it. But it took a while for the shock to like...
Listen, me go through shock, me go through panic. Me just say, but I was freaking out, trembling and everything.
He's like, I had a nervous breakdown.
I did, girl. I was like, Lord.
Oh my God.
It did rough,
man.
Anyway, guys, you know, here the nice not about going. We made bake. G-Mine's baking. So we come back.
He's baking and we're tasting.
Guys, it's a baby. So cute.
Oh, sorry, my nail's in the way, but you get the drift. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going from Deer Park, basic, to this. Okay? Period. So we're in the factory right now.
Basically.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen.
My next assignment was to undo the beers.
To be done how long ago?
But look, they're not bad. God know me never want me them before.
God know them. I bet you by Saturday we are gonna see a difference.
Oh, probably with the big one, but them here no need. Oh, them all go so.
Yeah.
So it's bear themed, y'all. So if you can't tell,
Teddy bear around the world right now.
yeah, it is a very popular theme. But you know, I love it. It's so cute. So obviously it's a bear theme. So we got all the bears for the centerpieces. We can barely wait on you. Barely wait. My job right now is just to take them out, fluff them, and at least they don't have a smell, you know.
Thank God.
Yeah. And fluff them. So baby sweets will have a lot of teddy bear. Alright guys, so next day we're on some candles. We're about to customize them, put the labels on them. Let me introduce y'all to my sister.
It's a whole sweatshop in here.
It is a whole sweatshop in here. Guys, this is my sister. Hey. Y'all never met this one before.
From Canada.
From Canada, right?
From Toronto.
Oh, it's different.
Sorry.
From where this one is from too. So we got 2 Canadians in the house.
Finally, I'm not the only one.
I know we don't live in England.
You're trying to put me there with my
Right. So, so yeah, I came home from work and straight on the road. And now we're back trying to get stuff done, so that's what we still need to figure out.
We have to go back on the road.
We have to go probably go to Walmart and stuff, but yeah. So watch us work and we'll catch y'all. It's gonna be a lot of.
What is sleep tonight? There's gonna be a lot of music over time.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of like no, what you call it?
Montage.
Montage. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of montages because. Yeah, and we are playing music and stuff. Y'all know how that YouTube copyright stuff goes. So we have the men, fresh dew.
Ain't not done yet.
Ain't not done yet. He gotta go to the barber. So this just half. They're in here cutting up. Hey, father.
I cut on chicken.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Cut up chicken, uncle. Uncle. Everybody got a title. That's what I should did. Uncle. Uncle, I cut up chicken. It's not sham anymore. Uncle.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed.
Hey guys. For real, guys, it's 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. We're still going. We made some progress, but we're still going. I'm here cutting out these paper thingies to like write letters to the baby, to the mommy and all that. But we did make the candles, so that's that. What else we do? I did the jar in the bear. I did the beer jars.
So like you don't know what to yes.
Zoe over there. Cause I'm tired. Zoe over there doing the names. Look who made it. And then yeah. I'm exhausted. You guys me tired. Like I feel like usually when I leave work I come home and take a nap, and I didn't get to do that. And plus I'm past my bedtime, because I'll come home, take a nap, and still go to bed by 10:30, 11 o'clock. And now it's 2 o'clock, like I said, and I'm gonna take no nap, more sleep. So after I'm done cut out them here, I don't know the video now. We're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna take a shower and then call it a night because we're tired. What, a balloon? Yeah. That'll make nice. Wake up everybody. Now we have to get up early. The event starts at 3. We gotta be there by 2 o'clock. And then
2 o'clock time.
And then what am I saying?
Hey, and the arch take long to make, don't it, Zoe?
Anyway guys, tomorrow to later on, we'll check back in later on, because I think my brain just a shut down. I don't know, I must move me and I can call shot. Or maybe for the fruits? The stars?
No, she was supposed to cut out the farm. And I said, what is that with fruit?
Pieces, guys. See, I mean, deuces. Deuces, y'all. Tomorrow, I'll check back in with y'all because I'm tired for real. Hey guys, good morning.
You're freaky. You're pretty freaky. But I don't have to make fun of you.
Right, I feel like when that is gonna be just so like black and just. Anyway, guys, good morning. Been up for a little bit. I'm wiping off these charger plates. We just eat some breakfast. Took some of the food from the baby shower. It was stewed chicken, so I have to taste it. So this is my taste plate, and I have cereal and a glass of orange juice. Samantha is over there on the fruits. I'm just doing these charger plates. So guys, as we're tasting, I'm eating the failed products. Pine, that nice, watermelon nice, sweet.
She's nice.
Cute.
You know, pineapple and cheese is so good.
Alright, guys. That's how much of yourself. Yes.
Actually working, you know, but
We're working, but you know.
make sure to see taste the food.
So if you sample them, so make sure it's not in them.
It sounded so
It's like the breakfast.
No man, this is really pretty on camera, guys. Especially if this though.
And the phone.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
Let's look at the details.
It's called a naked cake. It's really pretty. I like it. Save us 3. Alright guys, so here's our homemade, what is it? Our homemade naked cake. It is so beautiful. We have any more white icing? Is it right here?
That spot right there?
Yeah. But it is so beautiful. Y'all won't see the final product. Y'all this is just the behind the scenes vlog of everything. And the arrangements and stuff. The gift stuff. It's coming off the pot. Get a spoon. Hey guys, so I wanted to do like a before of the space, but we kind of got it started because we were rushing for time, and I had to borrow Zoe. I had to borrow Zoe camera real quick, but we kind of started, so it's not technically like the whole before. But these are the main chairs for mommy and daddy. We're setting the charger plates. We think we left some at home. So yeah. So basically this is the setup for now. Yeah, but that's about it. But y'all will get, you know, progressive footages of what it is. We're gonna keep it real Jamaican time because it seems like we're gonna be late. But we're trying to do our best to get as close to 3 o'clock as possible. So yeah, catch you later. So guys, this was the final setup, basically what all the tables were gonna look like. So the theme is bear theme. So obviously there's a bear with everybody's name when they walk in. They are placed at a specific spot with the charger plates, you know, so the detail is gold, white, dark brown, different shades of brown with the baby blue. So yeah, basically this was the setup of the table. Unfortunately, I didn't get to show the entire space because I had to leave to go get ready. Thank you so much for watching, y'all, and I will see y'all in the next vlog, which will officially be the baby shower vlog. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up the video, like up the video, share the video, comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.